Today I'm going to show you how I find small crypto projects which could blow up. One, this isn't financial advice, and second, investing in small cap crypto projects is very risky. It isn't always like you're buying Solana at $2. Investing in small crypto projects is very risky because you could lose all your money. Of course, there are lots of methods to find small, great crypto projects, but here is my favorite one. So, the first step is to go on Twitter and search for an investor you like and trust with your investments. I am using Alex Becker as an example for this video because he's amazing in calling small cap coins. The next step would be to go to the accounts he is following and search for a few crypto projects which seem interesting to you. I am going to use Altera as an example for this video. When you pick the project you like, in this case Altera, the first thing we are going to do is to look at their website and to check for a few things. So we are on the website of Altera, and as I said before, there are a few things you should check out. So the first question you should ask yourself is, does your project, in this case Altera, have a unique use case with potential? In the case of Altera, it makes NFT integration easy, which is very practical for Web3 games, and it's already used by many games. The next step would be to look at the roadmap, to check if they have goals, to check if the roadmap is good looking, and if they actually reach their goals. And lastly, I think it's very important that you can see the project's team and that they are presenting themselves. When the team doesn't want to show themselves, that's a very bad sign in the most cases. You could also go on the team members' LinkedIn's or Twitters, they are linked here, and check out if they have experience in this niche. The last thing I'm always checking out is the team's social media. As you can see, this team is active on most of the relevant social medias. They have an Instagram, they have TikTok, they have Reddit, they have Twitter. So Instagram and Twitter are the most used in this niche, but it's a great sign that they also have TikTok. That means that they have a good marketing plan and a great marketing team, and they are focusing on reaching new people. There's a good sign, but we are going to check out if the team is active on social media and if they're posting regularly. As you can see, it has around 130k followers and a quite big community. And we are also seeing that Altera posts every 2 to every 3 days, which is quite good. If they have not posted anything for a month or a couple of weeks, that's a bad sign. If the project seems like a good opportunity to you and it ticks all your boxes, the next step would be to look at the chart and to wait for a good buying opportunity. Since we are in a bear market, you could easily consider this as a good buying point, but investing in small caps like this is very risky in a bear market. And they could drop by another 80 or 90% if Bitcoin goes lower again. So I would personally wait for some bullish signs and to get in when the bull market seems to start. So basically what I'm saying is buying the dip and investing in altcoins in a bear market is very smart, but you have to keep in mind that small cap cryptos are very volatile and could drop by another 80% if Bitcoin drops again, which would cost you some gains. So in my opinion, the best strategy for trading these type of coins is to wait for Bitcoin's initial move leading in the next bull market and getting in these type of coins when the next bull market seems to start. So that was one of my strategies I am using to find small market cap crypto coins and how I'm trading them in order to make big gains like 10x's, 50x's, 100x's or even more. Everything is possible when trading small cap crypto coins. You should know that by now and you should be very careful. But if you like this, please leave a like and a follow, and I will upload more of my strategies.